Real talk, kapag lahat ng request sinasagot mo ng yes, hindi ka helpful, binubura mo yung margin mo. Kasi ganito usually ang nangyayari. Pwede rush? Yes. Dagdag one page? Yes. Revise ulit? Yes. Pero ang hindi nagbabago ang presyo at also deadline. Kaya habang lumalaki ang scope, hindi gumagalaw ang bayad. And ang results? Busy ka. Maraming clients, pero kapos pa rin ang cash flow. Kasi kinakain ng mga extra calls, extra edits, extra delivery ang profit mo. Walang bagong invoice, pero may dagdag na trabaho. At hindi lang pera ang nawawala, pati energy, quality, team moral. At kapag walang boundaries, lahat nagiging urgent. Client na ang nagiging project manager, team mo reactive. At ikaw, shock absorber ng lahat ng request. So kung gusto mo ng 7-digit agency, you need to break norm. Yes, but still respectful. Pero may standards, may rules, may process, at may cut-off. Hindi yan pagiging suplado. Professional yan. Next time, may request si client, huwag agad, yes sir. Sabihin mo, here's what's included, here's the timeline, if add-on, here's the change cost. Kasi tandaan mo, respect plus boundaries equals scalable agency.